Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Suci Wulandari from TBI 5A. In this video, I will present my final assignment for research statistics in ELT. This presentation will consist of two research cases. The first one is experimental research case and the second one is correlational research case. The title of my experimental research case is The Impact of Animated Songs as a Medium to Enhance Vocabulary Learning for Young Learners. Vocabulary mastery is very important for young learners because it is the foundation of language learning. Namun, dalam konteks English as a foreign language di Indonesia, vocabulary sering diajarkan menggunakan metode tradisional seperti memorization and textbook-based learning. This method often make students feel bored and less motivated, which affects their vocabulary retention. Therefore, animated songs are used as an alternative learning medium to create a more enjoyable and engaging learning environment. The research problem of this study is does the use of animated songs significantly improve young learners' English vocabulary mastery? And this study used a pre-experimental design, specifically one group pretest and post-test design. Artinya, hanya ada satu kelompok siswa yang diberi pretest sebelum treatment dan diberikan post-test setelah treatment menggunakan animated songs. The variable of this research is the independent variable is animated song and the dependent variable is vocabulary mastery. The vocabulary test scores are measured using an interval scale because the scores are numerical and have equal intervals. The research hypothesis, the null hypothesis, is there is no significant difference in students' vocabulary mastery before and after being taught using animated song. Dan hipotesis alternatifnya adalah there is a significant difference in students' vocabulary mastery before and after being taught using animated songs. The data consists of pretest and post-test scores from 18 students. Namun data ini bersifat hipotetikal dan dibuat untuk keperluan latihan analisis statistik saja. The statistical analysis used in this study is the Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test. Uji ini digunakan karena data berasal dari kelompok yang sama dan diukur 2 kali, serta data tidak memenuhi asumsi normalitas, sehingga non-parametric test lebih sesuai. Selanjutnya, steps of data analysis. First, I state the hypothesis, and then I determine the significance level at 0.05. Then I compare the pre-test and post-test scores of each student, and then I examined the p-value from the Wilcoxon test. And finally, I made a decision and drew a conclusion based on the Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test result. And the result show that all students have higher post-test scores than pre-test scores. So it can be concluded that animated songs significantly improve young learners' vocabulary mastery. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected. And now the correlational research case. The first one is the title. The title of my correlational research case is The Correlation Between Vocabulary Mastery and Speaking Ability. Vocabulary mastery plays an important role in speaking ability. Students with good vocabulary can express their ideas more fluently and accurately. On the other hand, students with limited vocabulary often face difficulties in speaking. Therefore, this study investigates the relationship between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability. The research problem is there a significant correlation between students' vocabulary mastery and their speaking ability? And this study used a correlational research design, which means no treatment is given to the students. The variable of this research is, for the independent variable is vocabulary mastery, and for the dependent variable is speaking ability. And then the scale of measurement in this research is both variables are measured using an interval scale. And then the hypothesis, the null hypothesis is there is no significant correlation between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability. Dan untuk hipotesis alternatifnya, there is a significant correlation between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability. The data consists of vocabulary and speaking scores from 19 students created as hypothetical data. The statistical analysis used is person-project moment correlation. Kenapa? Because the data are interval and the study aims to examine the relationship between two variables. The result shows that correlation coefficient is 0.992, which indicates a very strong positive correlation. The significance value is 0.000, which is lower than 0.05. This means the correlation is statistically significant. It can be concluded that there is a significant and very strong positive correlation between vocabulary mastery and speaking ability. Students with higher vocabulary mastery tend to have better speaking ability. So that's all the presentation of my experimental and correlational research cases. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.